driving my car. I'm driving my car. I'm driving my car 'cause it's mine. Yeah, I'm driving my car. I'm driving my car. There's 20 people out there just looking at me because I have a car and I'm 10 years old. Yeah, I don't even have a license because I'm a bad boy like that. My car is a Chevy, it's blue. My favorite color is blue, that's why I got a blue Chevy. My favorite color isn't really blue, it's purple, but there wasn't purple cars like a Chevy. There was only blue and red and some other colors that I didn't like, so I got blue. I'm driving my car. I'm driving my car. I'm driving my car 'cause it's mine. It's mine. It's mine, 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 mine. Mine, 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 mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's my car. Nobody's taking it because it's mine. It's all mine.